Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I'll show you how to mute microphone on your laptop. There are two ways of doing that, and the first one is by opening the Start menu, going into Settings, selecting System, selecting Bluetooth and Devices, and then going into Devices, Sound, and then selecting your active microphone, and to disable it, click Don't Allow right here. And to enable it again, click Allow. And to mute and unmute your microphone quicker, you can use function keys. In particular, this one F4 button. If I press this button once, as you can see, the microphone is muted, and right now it's unmuted. But if your escape key is lit up, that means that your function keys are locked, and you have to press Fn button with escape key at the same time. In my case, I have to press it twice, and this way I unlock my function keys. So these are two ways to mute and unmute your microphone. I hope that you like this video. If you did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.